Hello viewer, here I will take a rectangular shape, then I will pick up a custom shape using a heart design there. Let's find a different picture for it. So there is a new shape. So there we are making the designs here. Now I will take another shape to make it. So there is a heart design.